get all of the x's together and the y's together, like on the same side of the equation.
Well, can I write this down first so I can watch you? Because I can't like write and listen at the same time.
That's fine.
You saw how that went yesterday.
Yeah.
When will we be having a test on this?
Next Wednesday.
Also, you're just moving around together with each other.
Yeah.
I just came to study Jesus. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Okay.
I love your jeans game. Me too.
Me too.
Every time
You're my favorite.
Do we need to leave a space in between?
Not yet.
Oh.
All right, so yes, we're going to have to complete the square. We can't do that yet.
Oh, we have to divide it.
We can't divide it, though, because we have a 9 and a 4. So we're going to kind of think of these in 2 groups. So I'm like, I've got group 1 and group 2. So I'm going to factor out a 9 from my first group. Now I'm leaving a space.
Well, couldn't we factor out like a 9x?
No, you don't want to, though, because you have to complete the square. You can, but you shouldn't.
And
Right.
factor out 4 on the other side?
Yep. Oh, my pencil died.